Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to update manually any apps on your device. For this settings, you have to open Play Store. Then you have to click here. Then you can see here Manage Apps and Device. Click to Manage Apps and Device. Then you can see here Updates Available. Click to here Updates Available. Then here you can see all your updating apps. Required update of these apps. If you click update, the app will be update. If you click this update, the app will be update. That call are manual update. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.